Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, September 13th. The Zen story for today is titled The Tree That Said Up. The path split without warning, one trail curving left into a forest of thick pine, the other sloping right toward a valley painted gold by the late afternoon sun. The monkey froze mid-step, eyes narrowing. Ah, a classic test. The monk said nothing, but paused to drink from his flask. The monkey climbed a nearby stump and struck a pose. To the left, mystery, shadow, probably some ancient trial by moss. To the right, beauty, light, perhaps a scene of a scenic regret or two. The monk looked between them. "I vote right," said the monkey. "You look pale, and frankly, I deserve a nice view." The monk looked around and noticed a tree, crooked and knotted, older than others, its bark split like old laughter. Carved into it, faint but deliberate, up. The monk tilted his head. Above, balanced on a high branch, was a blue jay. It tilted its head too. Then it took flight, north, over neither path. The monk adjusted his robe and began walking, not left, not right, but forward and slightly uphill, following the bird's line. The monkey called after him, indignant, "That's not a path, that's shrubbery." The monk kept walking. The monkey pouted for exactly 3 steps, and then scampered after him. "Fine, but if this ends in thorns, I am blaming the bird." Somewhere ahead, the blue jay landed on another tree and waited. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Perhaps close your eyes gently and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. When faced with clear options, have you ever chosen a direction that wasn't offered? And what guided you there? When faced with clear options, have you ever chosen a direction that was not offered? And what guided you there? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. When faced with clear options, have you ever chosen a direction that was not offered? And what guided you there? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.